Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Investors Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a investorsbank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of Investors Bank. Here, you need to click on the sign in option on top right of the screen. At the login form page, you need to provide your username and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Investors Bank. As we are going to recover our ID and password, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID. Click on it. To recover your user ID, first of all, you need to provide your registered email address. Then you click on submit where you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided, where you will be able to have your ID recovered. Similarly, in the password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. Now to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your user ID. Then you click on next where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset or recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all. Thank you.